A major debate at the prestigious Oxford Union has spectacularly imploded, descending into a messy public spat filled with accusations of deliberate sabotage and last-minute withdrawals. The motion was explosive. The House believes that India's response to Pakistan is a populist strategy sold as security policy. But hours before it was set to begin on November 27th, the entire event fell apart. So, what exactly happened? Let's break down the chaos. Indian lawyer J. Sai Deepak, who was set to speak for the motion, released a fiery account on social media alleging a Pakistani gambit to avoid the debate. He pointed out that the Oxford Union's leadership included key figures with Pakistani ties, including the president and treasurer. He said the event was unstable from the start. Just 2 days before, the original high-profile Indian speakers, former Army Chief General Naravane and Dr. Subramanian Swamy, had to pull out due to unavoidable commitments. Despite this, Deepak scrambled to assemble a new Indian team. Securing Manu Kajuria and Pundit Satish K. Sharma from the UK, the team was ready to go. But then, on the day of the debate, Deepak received a call saying the Pakistani delegation, which included high-profile names like Hina Rabbani Kar and Khawaja Muhammad Asif, hadn't even landed in London. Naturally, the Indian team abandoned their journey to Oxford. But here's the twist. Deepak later claimed he got confirmation that the Pakistani delegation had in fact landed and were already checked into a hotel in Oxford. This led him to launch a blistering attack, accusing the Pakistani side of deserting the battlefield before the battle begins because they lacked the courage to face a live debate. He also criticized the Oxford Union leadership for allowing the institution to be dragged in muck. On the other side, the Pakistan High Commission in London told a completely different story. They released a statement claiming the Indian side had withdrawn at the last minute, giving Pakistan a walkover. They framed this supposed withdrawal as India lacking confidence to defend its policies in a neutral, intellectual setting. Indian lawmaker Priyanka Chaturvedi shot back on X, calling out Pakistan for crying again and proving themselves to be liars. So, we have two completely contradictory versions of events. One side claims the other fled the debate, while the other side says the exact opposite. Was it an organizational failure, a deliberate tactic, or just a farcical series of miscommunications? One thing is for sure. This highly anticipated intellectual showdown at Oxford turned into a public relations disaster, leaving everyone asking what really went down. Thanks for watching. What do you think happened here? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.